Hello friends, and welcome to another one of our yoga posture tutorials. Today we're going to be breaking down the posture plow. Now this is an incredible posture to release any tension out of your back and just to get your body feeling a little more loose. Now to start, we're going to actually make our way over to our mats with your back on the floor. Begin by just simply bringing your knees into your chest. Give yourself a big hug. From here, flex your feet and extend both legs up towards the ceiling. Now relax the shoulders, allow them to stay relaxed and grounded on the mat. Release the arms next to the side of your body. Now before we start bringing the legs over our head, we're gonna work on just mastering that momentum. So start by just gently rocking the legs up and down. And once the legs come closer to your body, see if you can start to lift the hips and your bum off the floor. And you can increase that by trying to lift your lower back off the floor. It's almost like a bit of an ab exercise here. Now, once you feel comfortable with that, then you can start to add more momentum. And then once your feet come about halfway, you're going to support your lower back with your hands. So it looks like this. You're gonna bring it up, support your back, and then from here, start to lower your feet as far as you can until they can touch the ground. Now, if that's too much for you today, you can also start with your knees bent and just support your back and stay here. Over time, you're going to extend your knees and stay. Now watch how I keep my hands on my back just to always support myself. Just breathe. To release, we're going to release the hands down first. But you can also do a quick another step. You can interlace the fingers here if you wish. That's another variation. But as we're releasing down, you're going to start by first pointing the toes and release the spine one vertebra at a time. So use the strength of your core. Once your back is grounded, your legs are up, you can bend your knees and plant your feet on the ground. And there you have it, you guys. That's your plow posture. Have fun with it, be patient with your body, and enjoy all the benefits that come with this position. Sending you lots of love, and we'll see you soon.